Hi, welcome to Kovax. Today we are going to talk with you about removing a dust nip from the clear coat. We all know dust nips can occur after the car has been painted. And we are going to show you how a good system is beneficial for removing a dust nip fast, safe and easy. So what is important? Process safety. You want to see what you are doing, because you don't want to sand through the top coat. Second is fast. Removing dust nips means extra work time in your repair process, and you want to be as fast as possible. And third, the impact of a system. You can combine different products, but products that are not compatible will not give you the speed, process safety and result you are looking for. As we mentioned before, process safety is really important. You need to be in control. Why? Because you don't want to sand through the top coat. So the question is, how do you get control? As you can see, we have two images. On both sides there is a dust nip visible. For this dust nip removal we are using on both sides our Tolecut S and Tolecut K1500. We will start with the left side. As you can see, the imperfection is getting visible while we are sanding. I know exactly how far I need to sand to totally remove the imperfection. Let's check this on the other side. As you can see, the water is blocking your view. You have to clean continuously the surface to check how far the dust nip has been removed. You can imagine that there is a high risk of sanding through the top coat when there is no control. And that could mean you have to do the whole process all over again. Are you working on a convex or concave surface? We also have different blocks and sheets you can work with. Check out our Tolecut. This kit has all the necessary products you need to remove the imperfection. Okay, the imperfection is removed with the 1500 and now it's important to create a transition. We are using grid 2000 to create finer edges. It's important to create a transition from a non-sanded to a sanded area because it's really hard to correct these edges during polishing. We will finish with the K3000 and as you can see we have removed the imperfection with a smooth end result. Okay, so we have removed the imperfection. We can start polishing, but I'm going to finish with Kovax Dry K3000. Perhaps you work in fewer steps, but that doesn't always mean you are quicker. Let me show you. On the left side you see the imperfection we just removed and you can see there are still hard edges. On the right side we have the same image, but we are going to use our Kovax Dry K3000. Okay, we have finished our surface with the Kovax Dry. Can you see the difference? The right side has no longer hard edges. You can imagine how much time this will save you during polishing. I can assume you are still wondering two things. One, we already used 3 steps with Tolecut. Why are we adding a 4th step? And second, why are we using the same grid when we have ended with the Tolecut 3000? Let's answer the first question. Yes, you can try to remove the imperfection with 2 steps. But are your scratches completely removed? As we mentioned before, we don't want the scratch to reappear. It may look like you are working longer, but you will create a smoother transition, which will shorten your polishing process. And remember, your sanding steps don't always determine if you are eventually quicker in your total sanding process. The second question. We are using the same grid, but with a different product. It's important to create a fine transition between your steps because the edges are hard to polish back. Kovax Dry has a unique grain structure with a special Velcro, which we call female-female connection, that ensures an extremely uniform end result. We are now going to continue with our Polish Bowflex Shine. This polish system is developed to work seamlessly with our sanding system. It's like a relay race. Every single person is beneficial for handing over the baton perfectly. Every step matters. When you leave one person out, you will get a different outcome. Okay, so what is the most important thing that we have talked about? 1. Dry sanding has advantages over wet sanding. And second, it's fast, by choosing a system that provides you with speed, process safety and a perfect end result. Thanks for watching, and for more questions about our solutions or products, leave a comment here below.